Hello YouTube, Metal Trooper 62 here, and here I have just a itty bitty tiny ammo score from normally what I usually get. But I was at my local Walmart, I had to pick up some food and stuff, so I figured I'd check and see what was up. I was going to get some more of those green box American Eagles, but they had these, and I wouldn't have normally done an ammo score video with just two boxes, but it is a very, very, very rarely that I see this Perfecta 223. I picked up two boxes about a couple weeks ago, and at the same Walmart. And when I was looking for it, I noticed they had two, and it was kind of stuffed in the back. You couldn't really see it, and they had two boxes left, so I bought it. But we all know about this Perfecta 223. It seems like it's pretty decent stuff. And if I can get one of these open without ripping the box. Come on out of there. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Little jigglies. There we go. And come on, phone. Focus. Thank you. Pretty decent looking ammo. But anyway, there is the two ammo, $14.94. I bought a bunch of other stuff. There's the date, 11/10/16 at 12:23 in the PM. Perfecta. But anyway, that's about it. Like I said, this is just a short one. We all know about this ammo, but like I said, it's very rare that I find it, and so I jumped on it. They still had about 20. They had about 20 boxes of the green box American Eagle, and then they had about the same amount of the black box American Eagle, and the ammo shelves were stocked as they have been the last several times I've been there. But anyway, I guess that's about it. Thanks for checking it out. Hope everyone's having a great day. Until next time, this is Metal Trooper 62 saying see ya.